Hey there, Fletcher from All Things Overlanding here, and today I'm talking about a really simple way to turn off your adaptive cruise on your third-gen Nissan Frontier. Now this exists in your manual, this isn't any sort of secret, but I wasn't aware of it until I heard about this on like a Facebook group. Someone made a post about it, so I went and checked it out. So I just want to make a quick video. So again, if you are frustrated with the adaptive cruise, you know, kind of coming up on somebody's bumper and it just slows you way down and then it floors the gas to go back around that car, and you just want the old school non-adaptive cruise, there is a way to disable it in the Frontier. So if you want to learn more about that, stay tuned.
Let you go. Ooh, let's just pull you closer. Ooh, I can't understand where it came from, but you got it, I got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you gave to me. Loosening my grip.
All right, so I'm going to show you here. Basically, you'll see my display. Normally, when you turn on the adaptive cruise, you just hit the on-off button right down here, and that will turn on the adaptive cruise. When you hit on, it will turn on this little icon here that has a picture of the vehicle with like a little array in front of it, like sensors sensing, right? And then when you hit set, then it turns green. It tells you the speed that you're at, and it shows that little adaptive icon next to it with the vehicle and the little sensor pattern in front of it. So now to disable the adaptive cruise, all you have to do is make sure that the cruise control is off. So right now I've turned it off. There's no icon up there next to the temperature. So to turn it on without adaptive cruise, you just hold the on-off button. You see it shows up there for a second with the adaptive cruise icon, the truck with the sensors in front of it. And then as you hold it, it switches a couple seconds in. So 2 or 3 seconds you hold it, and then it switches to the speedometer with the arrow pointed at it. That is the non-adaptive cruise. Now when you set it, it's just going to set at whatever your speed is, and it's not going to slow down when you come up on traffic. So it's just that easy. If you want to turn it on with adaptive cruise, then you just hit off again, tap it again, and it comes back on with adaptive. If you want it without, turn it off, hold it for a second, it comes on as adaptive and switches to non-adaptive. That's it. It's that simple. All right, guys, so that was how to turn off your adaptive cruise on a third-gen Nissan Frontier. So hopefully that was helpful for you. If it was, click that like button. If you are not already, click the subscribe button. I do a few videos every week, usually around like overlanding, camping, gear stuff. I do a podcast, but then I also have a new 2023 Nissan Frontier, and I'm a big Nissan guy, so I do a lot of stuff just about the new Frontier as well. So if any of that stuff sounds interesting to you, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Also in the description down below will be links to all my other channels, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, the podcast that I mentioned, all that stuff, so check those out. And then last but not least, there's a link to my Patreon, where we have a Discord and chat 24/7 about gear and camping and that sort of thing, and rigs. And then there's the Newbie Overlanders group, which is totally free to join, has a ton of great members, and we'd love to have you in there. But again, thanks for watching. Hope that was helpful, and we'll see you next time.